Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a save the date autumn calendar template, something your customers will love for fall weddings and seasonal events. This is a style that feels cozy, unique, and perfect for sellers looking to stand out. Let's get started. First, choose a pre-made design from the stock templates. This gives you a professional base so you can focus on making it your own. I'll remove the photos and place our text at the top. Now, instead of keeping the standard full date text, I'm just going to leave the month. We'll highlight the date in a much more eye-catching way in just a minute. Next, head to Elements and click Calendar. This feature is a game changer for sellers. It lets you create a clean, editable calendar in seconds. No more manually setting up numbers or grids. Just select the year and month, then click Add Calendar. Once it's in, click Edit. Here's where you can customize it to fit your shop's style. You can toggle weekdays on or off, adjust the language, and choose how the abbreviations look. For this design, I'll go with the 3-letter option. It's clear, modern, and looks great for invitations. To make the calendar more polished, I'll increase the font size for both the weekdays and the dates. I'll also adjust the stroke width for a cleaner finish. Finally, I'll move the dates to the bottom right corner so it feels balanced. These small adjustments really make your product look high quality to buyers. Now let's add that autumn charm. Go back into Elements, choose Illustrations, and search Fall. You'll find tons of seasonal graphics that make your template instantly more appealing to buyers. I'm going to add this cozy little illustration. It has that warm fall feeling people love for weddings and announcements. Last step, color. Instead of leaving the design in plain black, I'll swap it out for a rich brown tone. And just like that, the whole design has a warm autumn vibe that customers will connect with. And there you have it, a save the date autumn calendar template that feels seasonal, professional, and ready to list in your shop. If you're looking to grow your template sales, adding seasonal designs like this is a great strategy. They not only stand out, but they also meet customers exactly where their needs are. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more tutorials on creating templates that sell.